What is up, guys? This is DJ Freefire. I've been a producer for over 20 years, and whether you knew it or not, have been the brains behind the beat for hundreds of your favorite club bangers. My goal now is to help you achieve this same status and success in your music journey by giving you the skills and techniques you need to make sure every single track you make is fire. Today, we will craft a screaming hot lead to rip through the mix and carry your earworm tunes to clubs across the world. Before we get started, why don't you do yourself and your music career a favor and crank the volume on that like button and hit subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. First, we need a foundation. We will of course start with a synth. I'm using Polymer, an instrument built right into Bitwig, but you can achieve these same results with whatever your favorite instrument is. Let's switch to a sawtooth waveform to really cut through the mix. Now let's create a simple catchy melody that we can loop while we craft our sound. Remember, less is more. First, let's create a small clip, open the Melody Maker, and get started. Now, you'll notice that some of the note lines are dark and some of them are light. I've never understood why this is, but music is about feel and not sweating the details. Let's start with the melody. Ha! Wow, that's already a dope hook. Let's tweak it a bit further to really seal the deal. Perfect. Wow, this melody's going to be stuck in my head just the way it is. Alright, now let's start to shape the sound and really make it scream. A little free fire tip for you, by the way. When you see it red hot like that, that's how you know it's going to cut through the mix. Now let's add some more flavor. This is sounding savage. Believe it or not, we're nearly there. We just need to add some groove. Remember, music is about feel. Sometimes there's a place for rigidity, but I want some funk. And there you have it, guys. We've made a screaming hot lead. This exact formula is one I've used time and time again and is featured on many platinum singles you've heard take the world by storm. That's all from me for now. Throw me a comment down below about how this lead got you laid, and remember to like and subscribe for future content. I'll put this lead into a jam so you can hear it rip, but for now, that's Freefire out.